What's the best water filter for your RV? And do you really need one at every campground hookup? Previously, Brandon gave you an overview of our RV water filter line in another video, but I wanted to do a deeper dive for you to help choose the best portable water filter for your RV. With that in mind, in this video, we'll break down the three main types of RV water filters: inline filters, portable filters, and water softeners, so you can understand what each one does and which is right for your setup. First up, inline filters. These are small, lightweight filters that attach directly to your hose. They're perfect for quick trips, or when you just need to remove basic sediment, dirt, and chlorine taste. Easy to install, but keep in mind, they don't handle bigger problems like iron or hard water. Next, portable filter systems. These are a step up. They tackle tougher water issues like iron, sulfur, and manganese. If you've noticed orange stains, bad smells, or murky water, this is your go-to option. Portable systems from Water Filters of America are designed to be easy to move and set up, but powerful enough to give you clean, safe water wherever you park. Finally, portable water softeners. Hard water can destroy your RV's plumbing and appliances over time. A portable softener removes hardness minerals like calcium and magnesium, preventing scale buildup and keeping your water heater and fixtures in top shape. They're compact, rechargeable, and a game changer for long-term stays. We've got more videos on our channel that dive deeper into how each filter works and what to look for when you're buying. Not sure which one's best for you? Call Water Filters of America at 1-800-684-0979, and our expert team will help you find the perfect fit for your next adventure.